Navigating the do's and don'ts of Facebook advertising. Here's a comprehensive and in-depth tutorial on the do's and don'ts for Facebook advertising. Introduction. Navigating the do's and don'ts of Facebook advertising. Facebook advertising can be a powerful tool for businesses, but it's essential to navigate this platform with care. This tutorial delves into the key do's and don'ts to help you create successful and compliant Facebook advertising campaigns. The do's, best practices for successful Facebook advertising. 1. Define clear objectives. 1. Do set clear and specific campaign goals, whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving traffic, or generating conversions. 2. Align your ad content, targeting, and metrics with these objectives. 2. Understand your audience. 1. Do research and understand your target audience's demographics, interests, and behaviors. 2. Tailor your messaging to resonate with their preferences and motivations. 3. Choose the right ad format. 1. Do select the ad format that best suits your campaign objectives and resonates with your audience. 2. Experiment with various formats like images, videos, carousels, and collections to find what works best. 4. Create high-quality content. 1. Do use high-quality visuals and engaging ad copy that clearly convey your message. 2. Ensure that your content is relevant, professional, and visually appealing. 5. Utilize precise targeting. 1. Do leverage Facebook's targeting options to reach a specific audience. 2. Define demographics, interests, behaviors, and custom audiences to ensure your ads reach the right users. 6. Craft compelling CTAs. 1. Do include clear and compelling call to action, CTA, buttons in your ads. 2. Use action-oriented language that encourages users to take the desired action. 7. Optimize for mobile. 1. Do ensure that your ads are mobile-friendly and optimized for various screen sizes. 2. Test your ads on mobile devices to ensure a seamless user experience. 8. Monitor and analyze. 1. Do regularly monitor your ad performance using Facebook's analytics tools. 2. Track key metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and return on ad spend. 9. A/B test creatives. 1. Do experiment with different ad creatives, headlines, and descriptions. 2. A/B testing helps you identify what resonates best with your audience. 10. Test different targeting. 1. Do test different targeting options to discover which audience segments respond most positively to your ads. 2. Refine your targeting based on insights from your testing. The don'ts, pitfalls to avoid in Facebook advertising. 1. Ignoring Facebook's guidelines. 1. Don't violate Facebook's ad guidelines by using prohibited content, excessive text, or misleading information. 2. Familiarize yourself with these guidelines to ensure your ads are approved. 2. Overloading ads with text. 1. Don't overcrowd your ad images with too much text. Facebook restricts ads with excessive text. 2. Aim for a balance between visuals and text to maintain engagement. 3. Neglecting mobile experience. 1. Don't forget to optimize your ads for mobile users. 2. Neglecting mobile experience can result in poor user engagement and conversion rates. 4. Neglecting analytics. 1. Don't set and forget your campaigns without analyzing their performance. 2. Regularly review metrics and adjust strategies based on insights. 5. Excessive frequency. 1. Don't bombard users with the same ad repeatedly, leading to ad fatigue. 2. Monitor frequency and refresh your ad content to maintain user interest. 6. Not testing variations. 1. Don't assume a single ad will work perfectly. 2. Experiment with different creatives, ad formats, and targeting options to optimize results. 7. Ignoring feedback and comments. 1. Don't ignore comments, messages, or feedback from users. 2. Engage with your audience and address concerns promptly to build trust. 8. Misaligned landing pages. 1. Don't lead users to irrelevant or confusing landing pages. 2. Ensure that your landing pages align with the ad's message and offer. Conclusion. Navigating Facebook advertising successfully. By following the do's and avoiding the don'ts of Facebook advertising, businesses can create effective campaigns that resonate with their audience, drive engagement, and deliver valuable results. Striking a balance between creativity, data analysis, and compliance ensures that your Facebook advertising efforts are not only successful but also in line with best practices and platform guidelines.